Imagine that you are walking through a small street. Everywhere are small stalls displaying cupcakes, mousse desserts, and macaroons. It's not a dream, but the reality of today's culinary world. When the cream nozzle system works, the beautiful little cakes become more alive than ever. The cream nozzle is the bridge between the sweet world of cake and the harmony of cream. The secret to speeding up cookie production. When cookies are the king of the production line. The groundbreaking use of robotics, nicknamed CookieBot, imagines a robot wearing a chef's shirt. You can imagine yourself standing in front of a brightly lit production line with tiny robots trying to create perfect cakes. And this is when the white cakes seem to be being massaged on the line. Perfect pass. How can the automatic baking line create such sophisticated products? Join us to discover the secret behind this technology. Discover the perfection and precision of automated hands as they create sandwiches with a perfect balance of ingredients. All stacking systems can be flexibly integrated and combined with bag packing machines, creating a complete automated process from product stacking to packaging. It seems like just a normal job, but here, every day is a new chapter in the vibrant story of creating great bread. With an optimized design for speed and precision, this product can operate at speeds of up to 200 cycles per minute. Imagine being able to get work done quickly and easily, while saving time and energy. Say goodbye to worries about transporting crushed and scratched apples. Now, with Spread Belt, an impressive new innovation, moving apples onto carriers will become smoother and safer than ever. This potato cutter is a great choice for me. Korea's state-of-the-art shade plant produces 100,000 units a day. This ice cream factory can produce thousands of ice cream per hour. Did you know that the meat produced by these machines reminds me of mushroom rolls? Mushroom meat rolls in the hot pot are the perfect combination of protein from meat and vitamins and minerals from mushrooms. The ham tree, which is the size of a house pillar, is an interesting biological phenomenon. The cutting machine has the ability to cut decisively and accurately, ensuring uniform thickness for each slice. Large piece of smoked pork, shiny dark brown color, radiating a mouth-watering aroma. Fatty mixed with a passionate smoky flavor. When you eat it, you will be fascinated. You will never forget it.